Well, I'm out here. It's April 29th. I'm out here on Lake Fontana. This was like one of the first lakes I ever started fishing in this area, and I know it pretty well. Now, it's kind of tough by kayak to fish, so I'm out here on my boat, out here in Little Ginu, and gonna hit my spots today. We're gonna go up the rivers. Probably gonna go up the Natahala River. We're gonna go up the Little Tennessee River. This lake doesn't get a lot of pressure because, like, especially this time of year, they bring the water up. There's so much debris in the water. The bass guys, they don't like to run their boats in this stuff. I don't really blame them. I've smacked so many logs in this lake. I can't believe I even have a lower unit left still. But yeah, we're just out here, Lake Fontana, going after whatever bites. You know, there's big muskie in here. There's white bass. There's crappie, largemouth, spotted bass, smallmouth bass, and a big population of meanmouth bass. So hopefully I'll be checking back with you, get some good footage. I've been fishing for the past couple days. Honestly, it's been kind of lousy. Yeah, we're out here, see what we can catch, see if we can get on some big ones, and I'll be checking back with you. Well, that didn't take long. A nice healthy spot, probably about 13 inches. They're always stacked up here under this bridge, so, but they don't really tend to be big. But maybe we'll get a big one today. Well, there's another one. About 14 inches. They're getting bigger. Pretty fish. Beautiful spotted bass out here. Let's do a cast to catch. I always like to, I always put in on I always put in on Alma Marina because it gives me access to both rivers. But this is a great bridge. You can fill a limit out here pretty quick. It'll be small. Might get 1/16 incher in here. They like to pre-spawn on these pilings here. Notice that. They'll be on these pilings, they'll be on pilings all around the whole lake. Underspin is like the perfect bait for here. Bringing it right past the piling. Oh, there he is. It's a little bit better. Let's see. Let's see. Nice. There's another little guy about 15 inches. Looks like he's been A-rigged at one point, but there you go, nice one. What is this? Oh yes, big spot. Big spot. This is net worthy. Oh, he got off. That was a big one. That was probably 16 inches. I just caught a giant spot. This thing's got to be 4.5 pounds. Holy smokes. Look at that thing. Whew. That is huge. Giant spot. Fat. Giant spot. Unbelievable. Let me get a picture, get a measurement of this. Measurement of this for sure. "19 inches. That is a stud spot bass. Whew, mosquitoes are cranked. Okay. Big old spot. Ooh. Oh, they're blowing up everywhere. Big old spot. Big old spot. Big old spot. Fucking little tangled up. Unbelievable. Oh my gosh, really? Are you for real? Snagged in there, level 3. Every time. Underspin snagged in the net. This thing is snagged all up in this crap. Oh. Ee-hee. Ee-hee. Oh no, I did it. I did it. Oh, that ain't good. That ain't good. Get out of there. Ouch. That sucked. Man, that was a good one. That sucker was like 4 pounds. It's huge. Ow, I stabbed myself. Rods everywhere. Big spot. It's one of the biggest ones I've ever caught in here. This is the Tennessee River. This is the Little Tennessee River. The first one we saw was the Nantahala coming into Lake Fontana, and this is the Little Tennessee coming into Lake Fontana.
Little nature walk on my backyard to finish out the day here. Yard's always kind of this area is kind of a boat yard. Feed my koi's. Have to keep cages on them because the raccoons and birds will eat them. Here's the gnu. These guys will eat here. They're piggies. These koi's actually help me with my fishing because I noticed sometimes in the mornings, all throughout the year, if my koi's are on the surface of the water, I'm gonna have a topwater day. And if I don't see them, I know it's gonna be like a slower day and stuff like that. But yeah, out here in the boat yard, had a good day on Fontana. The old GNU here, 15.4. I love this boat. This is my workhorse boat. I use this all the time. It costs very little. I mean, I can literally run 6 days of fishing on 1 tank of gas. And then this is the aluminum, like a little guide boat here. Thought I was going to use it the other day. Had a guy cancel on me. But that's that. It's the 1848 Grizzly Tracker. It's a little narrow, but I have this brand new Suzuki. It's really working out great. But it's a little bit narrow of a boat. Would it be nicer to have one of another 20 inches, but it's good. Then the old kayak. My Slayer. I tell you what, this is turning out to be, a lot of guys go through kayaks. They seem to like get a new kayak every year, but this, I really like this boat. This right here has been this molded in hatch. I have a cover for it, but you know, water drains right through it. It's a totally dry boat. I mean, the inside of the boat never gets wet. I mean, inside the hull. You know, it too is a little bit narrow, but I can stand up in it. I can get around it. I'm really, like, every year I say, oh, I might get a new Slayer Max or whatever, but I really just love this boat. It's a sneaky little boat. It's still a good size, 12.5 feet. I can put everything I want on it. Yeah, the only thing that's annoying, the turning radius kind of sucks, but they kind of all do on these. But yeah, it's a great boat. I like it. I might be getting an electric kayak, but that'll be separate. I'll use this for the QC KBF and everybody that doesn't allow electric motors, and I'll use my electric kayak for the other stuff. But that was it. Had a great day on Fontana today. You're gonna see a lot of Fontana videos. I don't mind talking about Lake Fontana and Lake Nantahala because, I mean, it's not like I live in this area is poor, and we don't live in a metropolitan area where guys have you know, good jobs. They can buy fishing kayaks. I've been fishing on Lake Fontana for 20 years, and I've never seen a full out fishing kayak on there. I've seen a lot of people kayaking around, but nobody fishing. I mean, it's an effort to come out here. You have to take days off to come out here. And if you come out here on vacation and you see some of my videos and you catch some bass, well, good for you. I think that's great. But I'm not spot burning. The Georgia lakes, yeah, I learned my lesson with those. In the Lake Wileys and the Lake Normans, I learned my lesson with those. But Lake Fontana especially, I'm really going to get in depth on that lake and try to show you guys, you know, some bites out there, because it is considered kind of a tough lake. But please like and subscribe my channel, share it around. I'm pushing 300 subscribers, which is really neat. And looking forward to going to do some online tournaments this summer. It's gonna be a great summer. So I'm looking forward to it. Looking forward to a great work season here at the country club. And just looking forward for a great season, and like having a nice warm day. And I'll be checking back with you guys.